Well, good evening, everyone. Sheldon once again here at Tieb's Collectibles, and tonight I'm going to show off a few M2s. One of them, how do I explain this? One of them I found Christmas of 2017. Actually, two of them I found Christmas 2017. I've been wanting to do a video on them since. I just never had the umption, but like I said earlier, I'm trying to get this YouTube thing going, so we'll see what happens. So anyway, here we go. A couple of weeks ago I was walking through Walmart. I found this one. Nothing really too special about this. It is a chase piece from M2. It's their Chevy C60 truck. I won't lie, I'm not a big fan of this one either because it's a big monster truck, but it does have the gold bumper, the gold rims, and the gold rear bumper. And the telltale that it is the chase piece, that gave it away. I mean, don't get me wrong, looking at it on the shelf I saw the gold rims and just reached for it and knew this was, you know, one I'm taking home. So, it's very cool. It's the Moon Eyes. Seems to be a popular design for them this year. Everyone's doing something with Moon Eyes, but M2's doing a ton. But all my other M2 stuff, unfortunately, has been put away, all the good stuff. I have a bunch of loose pieces and some lifts up top on my shelf. Got a bunch of model kits that I haven't built yet that I need to. I have a few here that I've built, but like I said, nothing special. But I wanted to show this one because it's quick, simple, easy. So let me put him out of the way and we'll get to the goodies. Alright. So, December, Christmas of 2017, I'm in Walmart. I get permission to look for cars. Yay, lucky me. You know how that goes. So, I'm looking, and I come across this. Kind of impressive, right? 1957 Chevy Bel Air hardtop. This is the chase piece. 500 pieces. Okay. It's non-shiny gray. All the chrome has been replaced with black and has a very nice red interior. Alright, also notice the base plate it's sitting on is a mirrored base plate. This is a beautiful car. Sorry the lighting still is bad in here, but that's what the front end looks like. Sorry, trying to do this the best I can. One-handed, moving the camera. Still in the box, never been opened. I'll probably never open this one. That's what it looks like in the back. Alright. Now, don't get me wrong, I like this car. Very happy about this car. Oh, I just noticed I need to clean the top of the box. It's been up on my shelf for a bit. Okay? Very happy I got this car. No complaints whatsoever. But to show you the difference between the chase piece and the regular one, we're going to slide. Let me slide this one out of the way real quick. And we're going to bring this one down in front. Boom. This is the regular one. This is what the regular car should look like. I found it the same day as I found the chase piece, the same time. And it was a hard dilemma holding this one in my hand. And the chase piece, which I'll put on top of it, just, you know, it's here, okay? Chase piece is here, it's back behind it. Okay. And the reason why this was a hard dilemma is, yeah, that is just a plain 57 Bel Air. No big deal, right? They're a common car. I mean, as you see, I have a blue one, which I like a lot. It's a nice color. Got it more for the better half than me because, you know, pastels. It's girl color. And this is more me. Another one I found. Okay, once again, nothing special, not a chase piece. Just hot rodded out, but it's the same 57 Bel Air hardtop. Okay, now all the nameplates on these cars say 57 Bel Air hardtop. Of course I can't get it because I'm too close. 57 Bel Air hardtop. Same thing with the hot rod version. Come over here to the chase piece and you see 57 Chevrolet Bel Air hardtop. Okay, now here's why this was a dilemma, which one to bring home. This is a factory sealed box, and that is not a 1970 Dodge Charger TA. So I managed to find an error on the same shopping trip that I found the chase piece. It is still factory sealed. Okay, tape's right there. Alright. And the tape is right there. I don't consider myself very lucky when it comes to the hunting, but to me, that was a good day. And I've been wanting to post that online because I don't know if anyone else has found an error in M2, but that was a lucky day. Chase piece and an error on the same day. See, there's the nameplate, 1970 Dodge Charger TA. I did check the tape. Let's see, there's the factory tape, still sealed. Factory tape on the chase piece, still sealed. And the other ones are still factory sealed just because it's easier to stack them and look at them when they're sealed like that. But there you go. That's my favorite M2 as of the moment. I don't think I will find one any rarer than that. You know, friends of mine have asked me how much is that worth. To tell you the truth, with anything in this type of collection, it's only worth what someone is willing to pay. But I know I'm going to be asking a lot for that car. Not that it's going anywhere. That will be here forever. I'll get rid of the chase piece before I get rid of that one. And that's not going anywhere either. But, you know, it's the way it is. Anyway, I normally don't like doing this. Well, I haven't yet because I shouldn't have to. It's just one of those things that it's a given. I don't like begging. But please subscribe. Let your friends know. The more subscribers I get, the more cars I get. Look at it that way. Gives me more an excuse to go to the store and spend money and buy stuff. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Till the next time. Happy hunting. Oh, and real quick, nice side by side. And heck, I can even do if I do it right, there you go. All four.